The collapse of a once mighty ice giant and what it means for us all. Bold statements grab attention for a reason. Perito Moreno Glacier, a Patagonian marvel that drew nearly 700,000 visitors a year, is headed for irreversible collapse. But here's where it gets controversial. Scientists once praised it as climate change's unlikely holdout, yet now predict it will never rebuild to its former glory. And this is the part most people miss. Its fall is not just Patagonia's loss, it's a worldwide alarm bell. For decades, this glacier stood out. While 90% of Patagonia's ice fields shrank, Perito Moreno clung on, wedged against shallow lake shores. On rare occasions, it even pushed across Lago Argentino to form a dramatic natural dam, only to burst free in a spectacular flood, watched by hundreds on a distant viewing platform. Such moments became bucket list experiences for travelers seeking to witness nature's raw power. But the glacier's defense is crumbling. German and Argentine researchers, harnessing satellite imagery, helicopter-mounted radar, and underwater mapping, have documented its accelerating downfall. Their study in Communications Earth Environment reveals that Perito Moreno's mass balance is tipping toward loss. It's thinning, retreating faster, and flowing more rapidly into deeper, destabilizing waters. Pretty soon, the glacier's front could float, drastically increasing its chances of disintegrating in huge calving events. In the short term, tourists may still be treated to thunderous ice avalanches. Yet over the next few years, those dramatic tumbles will give way to a distant, ragged ice edge that retreats behind the mountains. Picture this. The lake, once dotted with giant turquoise bergs, growing emptier each season until the glacier melts back beyond sight. But Perito Moreno's demise is only one chapter in a global glacier crisis. Since 2000, mountain glaciers worldwide have shed over 6,500 gigatons of ice, nearly 5% of their total inventory. In Iceland, communities have even held funerals for vanishing ice caps. Why is this alarming? Because every year, melting mountain glaciers pour fresh water into the oceans, raising sea levels. If all melted, sea levels could climb by more than a foot, putting millions of coastal homes at risk. And it gets worse. As ice retreats uphill, it can leave behind unstable dammed lakes. Should those natural dams burst, they can unleash floods powerful enough to obliterate villages. Just like Switzerland's Birch Glacier triggered a deadly avalanche in May 2025 that destroyed Blatten. Beyond flood risk, glaciers act as critical water reserves, storing winter snow and releasing a steady flow through dry seasons. Hundreds of millions depend on that meltwater. Without it, agriculture, drinking supplies, and sanitation are jeopardized. So here's the burning question. Is Perito Moreno just an early warning for the world's ice giants? Or the canary in Earth's perilous climate coal mine? Do we accelerate efforts to curb warming, or accept that some losses are inevitable? Share your thoughts. Do you think more aggressive action could have saved Perito Moreno, or was its fate sealed long ago? This story is a powerful reminder. When a glacier falls, we all feel the ripple.